Here are 5 must-read books to read when you're expecting. The first book on my list is Natural Childbirth the Bradley Way. This is a book I wish I would have read before my first birth. It contains a lot of valuable information about the birth process and pregnancy. The book covers a wide range of topics, which you won't find in most other pregnancy books. This book will definitely enable you to make more informed choices when it comes to your pregnancy and birth. There are also Bradley method classes you can take if you'd like to go even more in depth and have more accountability. The second book recommendation is Bringing Up Bebe. This book is actually very enjoyable to read. In this book, American mother Pamela Druckerman describes the differences she noticed in the US and France when it comes to parenting. She investigates questions like why do French babies have an easier time sleeping through the night and grow up not to be picky eaters. Book number 3 is 12 Hours Sleep by 12 Weeks Old, a step-by-step plan for baby sleep success. Once you're a parent, you'll notice the importance of sleep and the lack thereof. Babies do sleep a lot in the beginning, but wake up frequently. There's a lot new parents can learn about sleeping to make things go smoother. You have to learn to establish helpful routines and learn to carefully observe your child so that you can react to cues such as rubbing eyes. Babies eventually have to learn to combine sleep cycles. This book will be a helpful start to help you and your baby to get more and better sleep. Book recommendation number 4 is Ina May Gaskin Guide to Childbirth. Ina May Gaskin is a very experienced midwife with over 40 years of experience. In this book, she shares some of her acquired wisdom and practical advice. You will find a lot of real-life birth stories. This book is especially for you if you're interested in having a natural delivery with minimal interventions. You will find a lot of encouragement and a very positive outlook in this book. And the final book recommendation is Ina May's Guide to Breastfeeding, from the nation's leading midwife. Breastfeeding is an art and science by itself, and many women struggle with breastfeeding in the first few months of the baby's life and find that it doesn't come as natural to them as they might have expected. Especially as a new mom, you and your baby both have to learn how to breastfeed. This guide will help you with your breastfeeding journey. This book is a great read at the end of your pregnancy to be better prepared and informed. Ina May provides honest and detailed information as well as inspiring stories. You can comment and like below and click the subscribe button if you'd like to find out when a new video is released.